Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're going to do a pork shoulder steak with ratatouille. I'm Rob Stubbs, welcome to my kitchen. So let's talk about the ingredients then. So we've got the pork shoulder steaks there, and much of this is really related to the ratatouille, which is a recipe on its own anyway, so if you take note. We'll do a recap around ingredients and quantities, but just as a heads up, what you'll need is courgette or zucchini, an aubergine or eggplant, garlic, onion, some Parmesan cheese, some red wine vinegar, some roasted peppers, tin tomatoes, bay leaves, and some dry oregano. So let's do the preparation. Okay guys, so a little bit of olive oil, maybe 2 tablespoons in there. What we're going to do now is just cook the steaks and keep them warm. We've got some, we've seasoned them with salt and pepper, so let's put those in. So these will probably take between 8 and 10 minutes. Resist the temptation to keep turning them over, so just turn them over the once. Probably 8 to 10 minutes, so let's say 5 minutes, and let's turn them over. Okay, so they've been going about 5 minutes now. We're going to turn those over. Nice brown. This side, and just cook them for a further 2 or 3 minutes, and then what we'll do, we'll put those in the oven then just to keep warm. And let's make a start on the ratatouille. Okay, we're going to make the ratatouille now, so let's turn that heat down a little bit. Let's put the red wine vinegar in there just to declaze the pan a little bit. And add the onion. We're just going to let that saute a little bit for probably 5-10 minutes. Good, okay, so that's been going a little while. Let's add the bay leaf and the garlic. Stir that in. You won't be able to smell it, but it smells brilliant, as onion and garlic often does. Rogue onion. Okay, so we've let that go for a little bit, 5 minutes, to let it soften down a bit. Now we're going to put the aubergine in. We're going to mix that around for about 3 minutes, and then we'll put the courgettes in. Again, do the same. Okay, let's add the courgette. We're going to cook that for, again, another 3 minutes. It'll all soften down before we put the tomatoes in. So we're just softening up the courgettes a little bit now, and what we're going to do, we're going to add the dried oregano, needless to say, you can't smell it, but I can. It smells absolutely fantastic. Stir that in, and then we're going to add the tin of tomatoes. And we're going to leave that to simmer for 10 minutes. What will happen is all of the liquid in the courgettes and the aubergines will come out, and we'll get a nice, lovely looking sauce. Okay, so that's been simmering for 10 minutes. Lots of juice in there. Let's put that away. Stir that through. Now what we're going to do is find the bay leaf, take the bay leaf out. Turn the heat down a little bit. Add the peppers. And warm them through for a couple of minutes. And we're going to add in the Parmesan cheese just to bring everything else together. Two minutes, and then what we'll do is we'll reintroduce the steaks back into the sauce once it's cooked through, and we'll be ready to serve. So get the plates in the oven, start warming them up. Okay, so we've added the peppers, they've warmed through, we've added the Parmesan cheese, taken out the bay leaf. Now what we're going to do is just reintroduce the steaks. So they can also warm through. 2 minutes or so and we're ready to dish. Okay guys, job done. Lovely pork steak with ratatouille. Looks absolutely fantastic, smells great. Give it a go, it's really, really good. Hi guys, hopefully you enjoyed that recipe. As ever, please give me the thumbs up and consider subscribing. That'd be great. That'd really be very supportive. I'd appreciate that. And next time, a recipe with, I don't know, what do you think? Just give me some comments down below. I'm thinking maybe some white fish in a coconut Thai type sauce, maybe a mushroom risotto, something as straightforward as that. As ever, thanks very much for watching.